Hi, to hide developer options on your Vivo V40, we would need to go in the settings first. And for that, I'm just gonna swipe up to trigger the drawer and here select settings. So just scroll a bit to go in the system tab, and now you should see the developer options if it's enabled in your case. So to hide it, we would need to select it first, and here just tap on the switcher to disable. And after that, when we will leave this page using the arrow to go back, this section will simply disappear. And to trigger those features once more, we will need to go in the About phone. Here select Software and tap on the build number 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Enter the PIN code of the phone. And now developer options are enabled, so we can see it as before in the system. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.